Hello, everybody. This is Bill Loring, your instructor. You are all IT students, so it's time to learn how to go places and do things fast and efficiently. You can go to wncc.edu, cluck into the whatever it is, class link, or you can go directly. The direct link, wncc.blackboard.com, takes you directly to Blackboard. There. And I, of course, have a shortcut on my desktop. We'll look at that at another time. We're going to look at Python, for example. I always have everything in a folder for each week. You start at the top, you go down. Once that's done, you go to the next one, and you go down. I do have students that go to the gradebook. Well, the problem with the gradebook, there it is. The problem with the gradebook that we have is that sometimes these things get out of order. When we put in new assignments, they don't always go where they're supposed to go. Sometimes they move around. Just like any technology, it's not perfect. The best way to do, if you want to just see the assignments and I don't do this anymore. Let me get rid of that. There. I do extra credit, but I added on to the assignments that are already there. All right. Go to your calendar. In the calendar, you have a couple different views. Due dates. There we go. This takes due dates and brings everything that's due up to the top. And it doesn't matter how out of order the gradebook gets, the calendar is a better way to look at it. Another way to look at it is going by month. That's a lot, but look at there. There's your different assignments. Well, at least in yours, it'll have the different assignments. On mine, I see when the classes are offered. In yours, you will see the assignments. But if I go to Student Preview, which is my way of looking at Blackboard through your lens, which is not always accurate, but it's close. If I go to Calendar and hit Month, it still doesn't work right. Yeah, unfortunately, on this end, it doesn't show the calendar like it should. Let's see. Oh, schedule and due dates. Sorry. Here's the due dates by month. Here's the due dates by day. See, I don't ever use this. I go into each week and do things by the week. Now we have the due dates again. That would be my recommendation. My recommendation, of course, is always go through each week, 1 week at a time. That's my recommendation, and I will see you in class.